quaint tower on the top of Telegraph Hill. The reason why is because I just watched the 2003 documentary called The Wild Parrots of Telegraph Hill, and I want to find the parrots. They live in other parts of the city as well, but we're going to try to find them on this hill. Here we go. Is that the noise? I think I hear them. Okay, I'm taking a break because going up and down the steps of Telegraph Hill is exhausting. But it's okay because I'm taking a minute to enjoy all of the sights and sounds and smells and beautiful flowers and even wild animals, if you look, there's a kitty in the yard right there, that this hill has to offer. We found them! If you listen to that distinct cawing noise, you can absolutely find wild parrots on Telegraph Hill.